Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society kalapan pau ka Sngewkmen halor ka jingla ban say yo we khna Nongkinglieng badang khat prasnem garata ban Khur ka Takma Rupa ha ka Khelo India Youth Games kablakot dangshan ha Madhya Pradesh upinsngan korba ubana ka snong Lau Berwari Bhoi District ula Khur ka tega Takma ha ka Jylla Nongkinglieng ha ka wa Sahastra Dhara kabaha Maheshwar. Kumba kapau kani kalong kasin kabaningkong baga Jylla Nongkinglieng ni kayaking kalayo ban yashim bantah ka Khelo India bat ka Jylla kalayo ban pha armut ki Nongkinglieng handai ka basngau tanat kalong bo pinsngan ubadang shong class 10 ha MEECL Secondary School Sumer ulayo ban Khur ka te ka Takma kat ba uwe shim lala ban kenjo shakathong.
Meghalaya, please put your hands together for Penshan Khurba. I would request Srimad Shivaji Maharaj to kindly hand over the medal to the winner.
Together, my name is Ian Vincent. I'm the coach of the Meghalaya canoe slalom team, which has just returned from the Khelo India Youth Games in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And we're very happy to announce that our paddler here got the silver medal. Will you introduce yourself?
My name is Penshan Khurba. My name is Sngewkmen.
So he is from Lau Berwari in Bhoi, and Bachkem is from Umtam village, which is nearby. And they train on Umtru River down there. And we are very happy to announce that Long has got that silver medal in a very tough competition. It was actually on the Narmada River, 5th and 6th of February, at a place called Maheshwar, just outside of Indore, on the Whitewater Rapids. It was a very tough course and some very hard competition, but by God's grace, he was able to get second place, get the silver medal for this state. So it's something we're very proud of, and we are looking for a good future for this sport here in the state and for good development. We'd really like to thank those who have supported us, and especially Dr. Vijay Kumar, AIS Commissioner for Department of Sports and Tourism, who has been really behind us all and made this trip possible, and we have to really give him a lot of credit for it, for his support.
Silver medal. He was in the pair. Come Hima stay.
Well, a lot of effort, yeah, a lot of time.
Since it's a new sport to introduce to you.
Yeah, Pinchingen been, how many years you've been paddling?
4 years.
4 years he's been training. And this year he really increased, before the event, really increased the training a lot.
Is there any stipend given to them for participating in this Khelo India?
Apparently something will come, yes, but so far nothing has come yet.
Only from the government side, you get aided from the government side?
No, so far we have not, but apparently something, because he won the silver medal, he'll get something. That's what I heard, yeah. All the expenses and costs borne by the Department of Sports.
Sports Department, adalah kamla banyarap full finance ma yakini khna, at least kaniat khansoi kala yarap shibun yaki bakin mi ma taka finance kaneka social media nga kerpat ma bakin mi Sngewkmen yatse ka sarkar kampat shania fully yaki yakaneka sports namar ka ba kadang dei ka ba thamai bat bon naki kim patip yakaneka sports te lengba ka jing job jong iwe naki khna jongi let's say kan ai kata ka jing sngan yaki we pat bat kumju nga kerpat mo ki kena bakin mi syakmat banwan ni ai bun ha ki training le se hadu mentang impat shim ya ta ka by training nang ai free ki tiar ngi ai pendon kam free ki teba khamtam ki kena samla ki bamdon kalat ban pule te ngi kerpat kin wan syakmat kin wan ban shim ya kene kalat ka kabu ka bangi ai hapo shnong te ngi shim mo ki kena bun baki wan ki de ki kena ki bawan ka yeng kasam ka baduk te ladangi khot training yaki bun ki bertiai kata ka jing bela jong ki kim yo kalat no ki namar ni don kam bun kenta ha ban training ha ban hikai ban practice te ki yo lat tang shipang te wat la pensngan yo de khna school wa habbe ka school wa habbe ka jing pule te yo shipang arphang por ban un practice te wat la kataru la le stom ha kini ki saus nem la practice but ula wara at least something ma for the states te ka long ka gas jing sung sarong tengah kerpat mak barit ya ka sarkar le sela ban yarap kum kenja stipend ai bahkan penslur ya kiwe pat ki kena le saki bawan khamtam naga yeng ka baduk mar basin ba kilawan ban practice kidu ya ka jing tray ka jing bela jong ki le se yo le ki dei maki ki ba bela mo hayeng te kimla ban ai full time ya ka ne ka practice ya ka ne ka training te sakawai ro nga kerpat mo ka kiwe ki kena ki ba shim bentah ha ne ka Khelo India na kawai ka states ki yo shibun ha ka jingiram kum benta ki ba job ki yo cash mo shibun ban penslur ki te le senga kerpat ya ka sarkar jongi ro bakan le ai na ka benta jong pensngan balawan ra kata ka nam job ban kum ka ban penslur le ne ban motivate ya u bat kum jo ya ki wai ro bakin wan shikmat ban shim bentah ha ne ka jingle kai te akato ka area bagi penlek kai don bayap no way khna te kila pensange no te kum ban bakin long qualified biang ban lek kai sethe pat kila shu practice session ne ngila shu pentan da ke video ngila le da ka timer ki happoi kila bu mo ka time limit hakata kat no ka por bagi de ban pendep ya kan ka jing ka competition jongki te ngila shu penlek hingi na shane te ngi sen pat ya ka to ka video shapo sathi shapo Madhya Pradesh te nang ta kila shu sha la ka sha yangi ban le shim benta
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kajing say so ha ka rap karyang Sngewkmen ya kinongra. Anda la pentrikam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka shisnem anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rap ha ka Jylla lingba ka Sngewkmen mi ya ka scheme batmai farm Farmers Assistant for Rural Meghalaya.
Hakane ka ap nyaw terek urempang, Shan ya ka sap jong pi haki artli ki sentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.